Hi children, how are you? This is a continuation of the unit electricity. Okay? Children, in parallel circuit, the ammeter reading is in this way. Look at the picture. Here A, B, C and D. And then one ammeter, one cell is there, two bulbs are there. At point A and D, the readings are the same. At points B and C, if the lamps are identical, the readings will be same and exactly half the reading at A and D. For example, the readings at A and D are 40 ampere. The readings at B and C will be 20 ampere. If the bulbs are not identical, the total of the reading of ammeters at B and C is always the same as the reading at A and D. Example, if the reading at A and D is 40 ampere and the reading at B is 3.0 ampere, then the reading at C will be 1.0 ampere. Voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential difference between two points in an electric current. How to measure the voltage? The electrical push which the cell gives to the current is called the voltage. It is measured in volts on a voltmeter. See the symbol. This is an arrangement of voltmeter in a circuit. In this circuit, we can see the arrangement of ammeter and voltmeter. An ammeter is connected in series in the circuit while the voltmeter is connected in parallel with the part of the circuit being tested. How to measure the voltage? The different cells produce different voltages. The bigger the voltage supplied by the cell, the bigger the current. That means the cell gives a bigger push to the electricity. In a series circuit, the voltage across the components can vary. But in a parallel circuit, the voltage across all the components in a circuit is the same. This is one question for you. How to measure the current and voltage in a series circuit and a parallel circuit? This is the answer. In this slide, we can see the differences between the series and the parallel circuit. In the series circuit, the current flows through all the components. It is arranged in a line and the current flow is the same through all of them. And then one component break down, the whole circuit will burn out. But in the case of parallel circuit, the current flow through the source. The components are arranged parallel with each other. The voltage across each of the resistors is the same. And the other components will function even if one component breaks down. Each has its own dependent circuit. Light dependent resistors. It is made from two pieces of metal joined together by a semiconductor. What is a semiconductor? It is a material with just a few electrons that can move freely. What is the purpose of LDR? LDR means light dependent resistors. When the LDR receives light energy, more electrons are released in the semiconductor to move freely through it and the resistance of the LDR becomes lower. Diode. A current can only flow through a diode in one direction. The diode is used to control the direction of flow of current through complicated circuits. Example, radio. What is the difference between resistor and a diode? A resistor controls the size of the current that can flow through it, but a diode controls the direction of the flow of the current. You know LED. What is it? LED means light emitting diode. It is a semiconductor. It allows a current to flow in only one direction through it and it produces light. An LED can emit red, yellow or green light. The color emitter depends on the semiconductor materials used to make the LED. Is LED similar to a lamp? Yes, they both give out light when a current flows through them. How is an LED different from a lamp? The current can only pass one way through an LED but can pass either way in the lamp. The light in the lamp is produced due to the high resistance in the wire The light in the LED is produced when electrons in the semiconductor material move between distinct energy levels. In this circuit, we can see the arrangement of ammeter, resistor, voltmeter, etc. Children, we studied different types of components. Here are the symbols. Look at the slide. See the circuit symbols. Children, I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, thank you.